I've been using menstrual discs for over 5 years now. And over all these years, I've tested so many that I can't even count them anymore. So today, I'm giving you my real honest ranking of what I think are the best menstrual discs you can buy right now. One quick thing before we start, because this is really important. When I first switched to a disc, I struggled a bit. Well, actually, I really struggled. It took me a long time to find the brand that worked for my body. And that's the most important thing I want you to take away from this video. Everybody is different. The perfect disc for me might not be perfect for you. The whole game is finding the right size and shape for your body. So I didn't just rank them based on what I personally like. I chose the brands that, in my opinion, will work for the most people, with the most options to really find your size. All right, let's go. Number 1 is a newer disc that I've been using for a while now. And honestly, I think it's really great. It's the new disc from the brand Cup&Co. The design is a bit different. It has this double loop, kind of like the Hello disc, except this one is actually much softer. So for me, it's super easy to insert and very comfortable. I'm putting it at number 1 because it's the one I'm using right now, the one that fits me best, but it's also really perfect for beginners. This double loop is so reassuring, honestly. You just grab it and pull it out with zero panic without having to search around. It's currently available in 2 sizes, and if you get the pack, you get a 90-day guarantee, which is really great for anyone who isn't sure yet if it'll work for them. And for those who prefer a disc without a loop, for more comfort, especially during sex, they also have a loopless version at a very affordable price too. Now, the brand isn't very well known yet, and in doing my research, I realized it's actually a French brand, so not very widespread in the US yet. But honestly, I think it has big potential. So if you're interested, they're offering a 12% discount with the code DISCO12. There's a link right down in the description. Number 2 is Salt, one of the most famous brands in the period world. It's a very reliable brand that's been around for years, and their disc is also very comfortable. It was one of the very first discs I tried, and it really won me over. They also have a guarantee, which allowed me to send back the first size that didn't fit, and the second one was a much better fit. So pretty good for beginners too. There's also a little notch for easy removal. So there's a bit of a learning curve, but once you get the hang of it, it's super convenient. And their sizes are quite different from Cup&Co, honestly. They have one that is very, very small, better suited for a low cervix, and a medium that should fit most people. The link is also right below. For third place, this one is more suited for beginners than experienced users. But honestly, as a disc, I would have loved to have when I started out. Because first of all, it's really cheap, and they also offer a 90-day guarantee, which is really great when you're not sure yet if a disc is going to work for you. This one is Oh My Disc. You hear a lot about it, and the offer is pretty amazing. Why? Well, because you buy one disc and the second one is free for the same price as other brands. Their discs are also made of medical-grade silicone, so quality-wise, it's really top-notch. They feature a loop that once again helps beginners remove it easily and get a good grip on it. They even offer an applicator. Now, I haven't tested that myself, honestly, but apparently it helps a lot with insertion. So you can tell it was really designed with beginners in mind. The only minor downside for me is that the disc is a bit firmer, which I like a bit less. But again, that really depends on the individual. It might even be better suited if you work out or have a strong pelvic floor. The link for Oh My Disc is also below the video. The brand in fourth place is liked for the style of its disc, but especially for its size options. It's Luma. Luma has 3 different sizes. One for a very low cervix, one for a low to medium cervix, and one for a high cervix, which makes you almost guaranteed to find a size that fits you. It's perfect for beginners, especially since they have a promo pack with all 3 sizes. And the long string is also very reassuring when you're starting out. But watch out, it's also highly appreciated by experienced users. It's considered one of the best brands, and it's very comfortable. You should find your size with no problem. The brand doesn't advertise its products much, but it's been established for quite a while now, for a few years. And their discs are also made of medical grade silicone, so you can trust them on that. And finally, number 5, which is a bit special because I personally haven't tested this one, but it always comes up in disc reviews. So I had to show it to you because it's also one of the most popular. It's the Diva disc. Its shape is unique because most discs are round, but this one is oval. But what makes it truly unique is its anti-leak shield, and that is really unprecedented. It's an extra layer of protection that makes it even more reliable. Now, be careful because if you have the wrong size, meaning if your disc is too big or too small, well, obviously it can still leak. That's true for any disc, right? But if it's your size, with this one, you won't have any leaks. With many poorly fitting discs, a sneeze or a cough can cause minor leaks. But here, the anti-leak shield really prevents the disc from auto-dumping. So that's a really big plus, but here's the thing. Many women actually choose a disc for that auto-dumping feature. So it's really a matter of personal preference, but given the feedback on this brand, I had to show it to you. It also has a small, very discreet pull tab, but it doesn't get in the way at all. So there you go. That's my top 5 for menstrual discs. Remember, really what matters most is finding the size and shape that work for your body. Take your time, take advantage of the guarantees, especially the ones from Oh My Disc or Cup&Co that offer you 90 days. And don't get discouraged if the first one isn't perfect. That was the case for me too. All the website links are below. If this helped you, feel free to subscribe, leave a like, tell me which one you're going to try, and then I'll see you in the next video.